Hello, this video is supposed to help you understand how you can set up Zoom for video conferencing, whether it be to create or just participate in Zoom calls. So the first thing you should do is open up a Chrome or Firefox browser, and in the web address section, you want to type in a shortcut that I've created for you called, which the address is beav.es backslash, or sorry, I think that's a forward slash, for capital G, capital P. And then you hit enter. Once you do that, your computer should be prompted to download a Zoom installer. And when you click on that, it'll begin downloading Zoom. So my computer is going to take about a minute, actually less than a minute, to download that. So you'll see that happening now. Once that's done, it's going to open up a small window that's going to prompt me to log in, basically. And since I'm assuming you don't have a login account yet, I'm going to show you how to create one. So instead of joining a meeting, I'm going to click on sign in. And because I don't have any of these credentials created already, I'm going to click on sign up free. So you will click there. That'll open up a new window. Currently you're seeing one of mine, but actually what will happen is there will be a window that's gonna ask you for your email address. So once you type in your email address and you click submit, it'll send you an email called please activate your Zoom account. When you click on that, there's going to be something that says activate account. Because I've already activated mine, it's going to look a little different. But when you click on there, it's going to take you to another window. And that window is going to ask you for your first name, your last name, and a password. So the page will look like this. Like I said, it'll ask for your first name, last name, and password. You'll have to repeat the password more than twice so that you can confirm the password. It has to be written exactly the same in both of those spots. And once you've done that, just remember that you're going to have to use this password in the future. So make sure you can remember it or write it down somewhere so you can reference back. Once you're done filling in those boxes, you will click continue. And then it'll show you a page that looks like this. You can ignore the invite your colleagues part of it and just click on skip this step. Once you've done that, it'll take you to another page that looks like this. And in order to test your Zoom application, you can click on start meeting now. That will send you, open up a little window that looks like this, and it'll say open Zoom meetings. When you click that, it'll open up a page that looks like a call. No one else will be on that call but you. And that's your opportunity to test your microphone and your camera. I can't show you now because if I open up that part of the webcam and stuff, it'll end the recording. But for now, just know that once you click that, it's your opportunity to play around with it. And with that, you're set up. Just know that in the future, actually, let me see if I can demonstrate. So when you get an invitation to participate in a Zoom call, now that you're set up, all you would need to do is click on the link that you get with your invitation. Once you click on that link, it should take you to a page that looks just like this. You'll click on Open Zoom Meetings, and you'll tell it to join with computer audio. Once you do that, it'll take you to this page. This is what it'll look like when you jump on calls. Right now, no one else is on the call with me, but if I wanted to start my video, I would click down here on Start Video, and then the other person would be able to see me, just like you can see me right here now. They will also be able to hear me with the microphone, but if I wanted to mute myself and anything around me, so if I have kids or my dog is barking or something like that, I can hit mute, and that way the other people won't be able to hear what I'm saying. And if I want to stop their ability to see me, but I can still see them if they're presenting. I can stop the video and I will still be able to see and hear them, but they won't see or hear me because I stopped both the video and my microphone. If I want them just to hear me, I can turn on my microphone and not my camera. Once I'm ready to finish the call, all I have to do is click leave meeting, confirm, and that's it. So with that, you should be all set to start taking Zoom calls and Zoom with Zoom invitations. And like I've shared earlier, all it is having a link like this when you get an invitation and clicking that link, and that should be all it takes to get you going with your Zoom call. Thank you for watching this, and that'll be all for today. Thank you.